screen.
Okay. What are we learning today?
Okay, so yesterday we still have come to the not yesterday like last week. We can convert from temperature of Celsius to Kelvin, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now we still have been known about the imperial to imperial. For example, converting from inch to foot, foot to yard, yard to mile, something like this, right? We know we can convert from the matrix to matrix system, from meter to centimeter, centimeter to meter, millimeter, millimeter to kilometer, something like that. Already, meaning that we can convert from matrix system to matrix systems. But for imperial system to imperial system, not yet. And even matrix system to imperial system, we haven't studied yet. So we will do it today. So let's start the lengths. First of all, we will go with the lengths. Imperial system to imperial system. Imperial to imperial system. Okay. So as we already know that when we convert the unit from metric to matrix, the difference is somehow we just add one more zero, which is the difference is 10 times, right?
Yeah.
It's 10 times. Now, when we convert imperial to imperial, it's quite a little bit difficult and we need to remember. So, what are the length for the imperials? Unit
For
of the
the
length for imperials. We have
of
the units of the
is
length for imperials.
foot, yard,
Yard,
inch,
inch,
foot.
miles, right? Miles. So we have this need to be remembered. 1 foot equal to 12 inches. 1 foot equal to 12 inches. And 1 yard equal to 3 foot. Okay, let's write it all in short term. Ing is IN, yard is Y, or foot is FT, yes. 1 miles is 1,760 foot. It's look like very string, right? Because like 1 foot,
Yeah.
12 inch,
No.
one yeah, 1 yard equal to 3 foot, 1 mile equal to 1,760 foot. These need to be remembered. Sometimes you need to check, but for the matrix, the difference is by 10 times, 10 times, 10 times. So it's easier to convert as well as easier to remember. Why? Because that is this international standard system. This is only used in American. So
I hate the imperial system, bro.
okay, okay. So let's give ex- like example. For example, how can we convert
Convert what?
765 foot to inch and the same amount to yards? the same amount to miles. So we know that 1 foot equal to 12 inches.
Yeah.
How about 765 foot? How many inches? By the way, by looking from this, what is the smallest unit?
This.
We have now we know that the unit we have is foot, yard, inch, and miles.
What?
Now we have from looking from this, and we already know the operation like multiplication and stuff. So which unit do you think is the smallest unit in length? 1 foot equal to 12 inches, 1 yard equal to 3 foot, 1 mile equal to 1,760 foot or 60 feet when it's feet.
When.
Yes.
What?
Now, which unit is the smallest units of length? Can you guess? One.
Is it?
Okay,
It
we look at this. It's 1 foot equal to 12 inch. Which one is smaller?
inches.
Inches. Okay, inches. Inch is the smallest than foot. We can tell that inch is smaller than foot. Now, 1 yard is equal to 3 foot. Which one is which one is smaller?
Foot.
Foot. Yeah, foot is smaller than yard. Okay, so we can write like this. Inch smaller, foot, yard. How about miles and foot?
Foot is smaller.
Yeah, foot is smaller, but now how about miles and yard? Which one is smaller?
Yard.
Yard is smaller, so this is small. So the units for the length, inch is the smallest, and then feet, and then yard, and then miles. Mile is the highest. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when we have 765 foot equal to how many inches? We know that 1 foot, let's say 1 foot equal to 12 inches.
Yeah.
So, in order to find 765 foot, we need to. Okay, let's go for the very simple one. 1 foot is 12 inches. How about 2 foot? 2 feet. When it's plural, let's go to feet.
24 inches.
24 inches. How about 3 feet? Equal
36.
36 inches, correct. But how can you figure this out? We
Just keep multiplying 12.
multiply, right? So
Yeah.
1 foot is 12 inches. 2 feet, we take 12 multiplied by 2, right? To figure out 2 feet. So we multiple by 2, we get 24 inches. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming back, what can we convert from 700 this 765 feet to inch? We
So how can we multiply or
multiply.
divide or uh,
This is 50-50, like multiply or divide.
yeah. That's
Multiply
really
or divide. Now the answer is multiply or divide.
yeah. It's so confusing. You know what?
Just answer a moment. If we find 2 foot or 2 feet, we multiply 2 times 12, right?
Yeah.
3 feet, just 3 times 12. Always come with these 12. Okay. Now, how about 765. We multiply or divide?
Divide. Man.
Yeah,
Uh,
wait. 1 feet is 12 ing. 2 feet is 2 multiplied by 12, right? 3 feet,
yeah.
3 multiplied by 12, so on until 765 we multiply.
Wait, how do we multiply?
765 multiplied by 12.
Really?
Yes, 765 multiplied by 12. That is ings. So 765 multiplied by 12 to get the ings. We get 2 times 5, 10, 0, 2 times 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. And then 5, 6, 7, 0, 8, 1, 9. So the answer is
9,180.
yes, 9,000. 9,180 inches. Okay. Now to convert the foot or yeah the feet to yards, we know that 1 yard is 3 feet. How about 765 feet? How many yards? Hmm.
9,180 yards? No? Okay.
Okay, so we check. Okay, first, now 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Oh wait, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Yes, 1 yard is 3 feet. 2 yards equal to
6 feet.
6 feet, which is 2 times 3, correct? 2 times 3 feet, or equal to 6 feet, and so on. But this is what we know is we want to know this yard equal to 765 feet.
Yeah.
So from here we multiply in
760.
order to find the smaller. So now can we conclude this is smaller or this is higher?
Uh, the one that's missing is smaller?
Is higher. The one
Okay.
is looking for is higher, right?
Okay.
That is higher. When it's higher, we multiply or we divide.
Multiply? What? Divide.
Look like this. If it's higher, the number should be lesser or bigger. When that unit is higher,
Divide.
divide. Yes. Why is it divide? Because the unit is higher. So remember, when the unit is higher, we divide. When the unit is smaller, we want to have a bigger number, right? Bigger number.
Yeah.
So we multiply. From here, for example, feet to inch, feet is bigger than inch, so the number of feet should be bigger than the number of inch should be bigger than the feet. All right. So now to find yard, yard is a bigger number. We divide, right? We divide. But now we divide by what number?
The
One. Ing is 3 feet, so 765 feet equal to how many yard? How can we convert? Is 2 divide. Now, first of all, we know the operation is 2 divide. But 2 divide by what number?
3.
3, yes, divide by 3. So, to find feet, wait. Oh,
Can I just ramble for a second?
uh, sorry.
Can I just talk about something for a second?
Yeah.
So I found out the reason why I'm like suddenly failing at math after like years of like suddenly being really good. You know why?
Why?
Because like as a child I never had to really study. I just had to write notes at school and whatever. But that was because I was using my own brain power, the things I already knew, that things were already easy. But
Mhm.
as a child I was always told I was gifted, right? And that was
Yes.
because I had to really study. And
Mhm.
then as I got older it suddenly got harder and harder. And now I'm stuck here not knowing how to study because I've never studied and had to just use the things that I already knew as a child.
Yes,
And,
yes.
and now that it's like outside of my brain capacity and I have to study, I'm suddenly like like confused.
So,
Okay,
okay, so you may use your like previous then the previous measurement of study is you need to take notes, go it's a little bit slower, don't make it harsh or make it rush.
yeah,
Like when you try it's very rush, it get you hush, right?
yeah.
Something like this, and then you feel like it's somehow it's harder and harder, right?
Because it is getting harder. Because
Uh,
because it's it suddenly went from easier and easier. It's things that you can understand, but when it goes from things that are meant to be harder for you,
mhm.
you can't. You don't know what to do.
Yeah.
And and other kids that weren't as gifted that knew how to study,
Mhm.
now they're getting better because they know the right ideas and the tools for you to study. But other gifted kids don't because they've never been taught how to study. They're only taught just, oh, you're gifted.
Mhm.
You
Yeah. Uh, okay, but the other things maybe you can change the perspective of you is you may think that the when we study more and more, it's getting harder and harder, right? But
Yeah,
on the other perspective, we may think when we know something more, we become smarter. Like for example, we convert from length to length. Before maybe you want to know, but you cannot know. So now when you know, you can like feel like, oh, I know the extra knowledge, and
yeah,
you feel like the feeling is different. Like, oh, you understand something new. It's different from, oh, I need to study something new, right?
yeah,
Yeah, maybe that's maybe feel like, oh, I understand something new. There's no new things for me. Yes. All right. So here the other things coming back. We know that when we converting from smaller units from higher units to smaller units, we multiply. Correct. Now, when we converting from smaller units to higher units, we
uh, multiply,
from smaller units, no, from bigger units to smaller units,
divide.
we multiply. First of all,
Oh, yo,
yeah. From let's say like you have something more expensive, and the other one have small like cheaper products. So your number is smaller and okay. Let's say like this: you have one iPhone, and the other have like Nokia. But if to make it exchange equivalence, they need to have 10 Nokia, for example, 10 Nokia,
oh, okay,
right?
yeah,
Yeah. So meaning that if your product is expensive, more expensive, your product have to be lesser number, correct? Lesser number. Only one iPhone can exchange for 10 Nokia, let's say.
As in, like, since it's different qualities, you like there's like you have you have to like match it more, and you can, and it's just like more than one,
To
right?
make it equivalent. To make it equivalent.
Yeah, to make it equivalent.
Hmm.
And if it's like a smaller unit, you have to like match up like more than like to that bigger unit because it's smaller, right?
Yeah. From smaller unit to higher unit or to the bigger units. Bigger unit have to have little quantity, right? Quantity. Bigger
Yeah.
unit, smaller quantity. Smaller units, bigger quantity. So to
Yeah, because
yeah, to get that equivalent, so this is feet and yard. Which one is smaller?
which feet?
Feet is smaller, right? So can you imagine the yard is bigger quantity or smaller than 765?
Bigger quality or quantity or smaller than
Quantity,
700?
yeah, quantity. Bigger or smaller? Like the result will be more
Uh,
than
like
700 or
yeah,
lesser than 700.
lesser.
Must be smaller or lesser than, bigger or lesser than 765. Wait,
Bigger.
bigger or smaller?
Bigger because 765 is a smaller unit,
This
right?
is smaller unit. This is bigger units.
We're talking about yards and feet, right?
Yeah, yard and feet. So
Feet is a smaller unit.
feet is smaller than yard, correct?
No, I was wrong this whole entire time because um yards is smaller. Mm, like it's less than.
Yeah, the quantity will be lesser than 765, correct?
Yeah, was I wrong the whole
So
time?
yeah. So to find the lesser number, we multiply or divide?
The divide.
Divide.
Mm,
Yeah.
mm,
If
yeah,
we multiply, the number become bigger, right? If
yeah.
we divide, the number become smaller. So what I mean to say is bigger units, smaller quantity. Bigger unit. So this unit is bigger than fits, then smaller quantity. When we convert from bigger units to smaller unit, bigger unit, bigger units, smaller quantity. See, between 765 and 9,180. So bigger units, smaller quantities. Now, when we convert from feet to yards, yard is bigger unit. So it
Yeah,
should be smaller quantity, right? And to find the smaller quantity, we
divide.
divide. Yes. So we divide 765 divide by what number? We know that one
Oh,
feet equal to,
three.
yes, one yard
So
is 3 feet, so we divide by 3.
760.
So to divide, we have one digit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, to divide. So two times, right? Two
Yeah,
times three is 6. So this is 1. We drop the 6 here. So we have
five,
5. 5 times 3, 15. We have 1. 5 drop down. We have
five.
5. 5 times 3, 15. Okay, 0. So
Yeah,
meaning that 765 feet equal to
255 yards.
255 yards. 255 yards. Now, how can we convert these feet to mile? Again, mile and feet, which one is greater?
Small.
Yeah,
Oh, greater mile.
yeah, let's say like, which one is greater is mile, right? So
Yeah.
now we convert from smaller unit to greater unit, right? To the bigger unit,
Yeah.
meaning that we divide or we multiply.
Smaller unit to bigger unit.
Yeah, smaller unit to bigger unit.
Multiply.
We just
Oh,
big,
divide. My
yeah, bigger unit, lesser quantity. So lesser quantity, bigger unit, lesser quantity. Bigger unit, lesser quantity. Bigger unit. Okay, so we need to divide. We need to divide. So we divide by, we know that
three.
one
Uh,
feet, 1 mile is 1,760 feet. So we divide by 765 divide by,
a yard into mile, right?
yes, oh, feet to miles, feet to miles here.
Feet to mile.
Feet to miles here. Feet to mile here is 1 mile equal
One
to
1,760.
60. So we divide by 1,760. How can we divide this number? It's
A,
from,
a placeholder.
sorry,
A placeholder like zero.
we have zero. So we, this is smaller than 1,760. So we have to add zero and one decimal. Normally we can just add decimal, but we cannot start with the decimal. So in order to have decimal, we have zero first and then decimal. So zero decimal will add one more zero here, and then now 7,000 can be divisible with 1,760, right? So what's numbers multiplied by 1,760 to get 7,600 to goes to 7,650.
Uh, no. Oh, big. Oh, okay.
Okay.
I think I know the answer, but I'm just gonna do it anyway.
Okay, so how many times?
I'm gonna assume it's four, but then I'm gonna do the word.
Four. Okay, let's
14.
four. Four. Okay, 40. 6 times 4 is 24. We have 4 and 2. 7 times 4 is 28. 30. 417. Okay, so we have 016. 016. This is 0. So okay, 610. We cannot divide anymore, so we add one more zero here, and we have how many? Three. Three times zero is zero. 3 times 6 is 8.
Yes.
24, 22. And 3 times 2 is 3, 5. So we have 0, 2. This is tens. Minus 2 is 8 and 0. Okay. So maybe we can take just round it to the decimal. So it's 0.40, 0.43. And 0.43 miles. All right. So now we know how to convert this. And okay, I give you one example for you to do that to make sure you can fully understand. Let's say, okay, 1 12 miles to yards and 12 miles to feet and 12 miles to inches. Another one is 5,213 thing to feet to yards to miles. Okay, these two for you from 12 miles to yard, feet, and inch. And another one is 5,213 13 inch to feet to yard and to miles.
Oh Lord. Okay.
Take it easy. This is not too hard. It's just multiplication and division, right? It's just
Hard and division, man.
it's simply just the multiplication and the division.
Division.
Sometimes when you think, oh, this is just division, it's multiplication. It's easy. But if you think like, converting back imperial system, big hard. Almost, yeah.
Inch is constant. Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
If it's higher. Oh, we divide them.
One miles. Miles to yard
Wait,
to feet to inch.
how do I how do I convert miles to yards?
Mile to yard. Oh, this is a little bit critical. We only have mile to feet and yard to feet. So, meaning that we can convert from mile, first of all, to feet first, right? From miles to feet first, bigger to smaller. So, mile to feet first, and then feet to yard, mile to inch.
Yard.
So, the conversion will be. This, yes. Why kilograms? From miles to feet, here we have 1 mile equal to 1,760 feet. So we can convert from mile to feet, and then from feet to yard, feet to inch. Tomorrow, please. All right. Okay.
How do I divide 12 miles?
Sorry,
How do I divide 12 miles by 1,760 feet?
12 mile to feet, so bigger. Oh, bigger. This is bigger unit, right? To
Yeah.
smaller units, bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply
Divide.
or divide?
Divide.
Divide. If we divide, the quantity will be smaller, even smaller, right? The quantity will be even smaller.
If it's higher the unit, we divide. If it's smaller, we multiply.
Oh,
Whoa, 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 whoa.
okay, okay. Oh, my
What?
PC is going. Okay, so 12 miles to feet, to convert 12 mile to feet is, now mile is bigger now, bigger units, so we convert bigger units to the smaller units, we multiply or we divide, multiply or we divide again, from bigger units to smaller units, we multiply or divide.
I thought it was divide, but now I'm thinking it's multiply.
Yeah, now
Does the same rule apply to each unit when converting?
convert from, now this is converting, we convert from mile to feet. We know that mile is a bigger number, it's a bigger unit, so we
Mm-hmm.
convert bigger units to the smaller unit.
Bigger unit is a smaller unit.
Bigger
Yeah.
units, smaller quantity, meaning that smaller units, bigger quantity, right?
Smaller unit. Multiply.
Multiply, yes. So maybe you can take this little note, from big to small, from big to small, we multiply. From small to big,
Divide.
we divide. Yes. Okay. This may be a little note, then you can remember. From big to small, we multiply. From small to big, we divide. 12 miles to 12 miles to feet.
Is it 21,120?
It will be okay. I don't know too. I need to convert as well. So we will multiply 12 by 1,760.
60.
So multiply, we get, okay, 0, 2 times 6 is 12, 14, 15s, and 2 threes. So
No,
0, 6, 7, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2.
I got it right.
Okay, so it's 2,000, no, 2,000, 21,000, oh, 21,120 fits. Okay, 21,120 fits. Now we have the feet. Can we make it to yards? Can we convert to yard?
Ye-
Yes.
Yes.
Can we convert to ing? Yes.
Yes. Sorry, I have post notes.
Okay.
Oh, huh. I forgot what I was doing.
Mhm. So fit to yard, fit to ing is
Feet to yard, right? Small.
fit to yard.
Feet is smaller, yard is bigger.
Yeah,
So
fit is
divided.
we divide, correct. We divide. Fit is
740.
700 or 7,000?
740 yards.
700. Okay, when we divide it is
40. 740. 40. 740.
21120. So to divide by 3,
3.
correct? Divide by
Yeah.
3. So from feet to yard, it divide by 3. So we take two digits, which is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, then 0. So we drop the number ones, correct?
Then we subtracted by 0 and then 12.
Then we have,
12.
how can we multiply? What's multiplied by 3 goes to 1?
What multiplied by nothing?
Nothing, which is 0. We have one more 0 here, correct?
Yeah.
This is always making a mistake by the students. They forget
What?
the 0 and they drop two digits.
One subtracted by 0 equals 1. Then you drop down a 2.
Then 0 and this is 1 and you drop the other one, which is 2. Then it is 4, right? 4 times 3, 12, and 0. So we drop another 0, we have 0. So 7,000.
Why did I get them when I was talking to you, but not on the paper? What?
Okay. So 7,000, 0 first, and 40. So 7,040.
40 yards.
yards. 7040. 7,040 yards. Now, how about ing? From feet to ing, or from foot to ing is. Yeah,
Foot 2 inches.
yeah.
Just
Foot to ing is. It's nice.
1.
From foot to ing. From foot to ing. From foot.
Are you bored?
Now I'm reading. Readings, readings. Like it's like. Waiting, waitings.
I have to start it about 2 times.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Foots to ings. Foots to ings.
What goes into no? No.
Fit to ing. Fit to ing. Fit to ing is bigger to smaller. So bigger to smaller.
Man, I still got a remainder.
We.
Smaller to bigger.
No,
Then multiply. What?
yeah, multiply. Bigger to smaller. This is bigger to smaller.
Oh.
Bigger to small. Oh, so all of the time you divide?
Yes, I've been writing the whole time.
Okay, no. Fit
Oh,
is
it's
bigger
faster.
than ing. Fit is bigger than ing. Bigger to smaller. We
One, two, two, three.
bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller.
25,000.
Part 25.
No, 2500.
20.
25, 300,440.
Okay, one minutes. 20. Okay, so your answer 25,440.
440.
40. Really? Okay. Let's do it together. So now your final answer is multiply or divide?
Multiply, multiply.
Multiply, yes. So 21120 multiplied by what number?
12.
12. Correct. 12. 12 times 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 and 4. Multiplied by 1 is, okay, just rewrite it. 02112. Then we have 0, 4, 4. This
4.
is 3, 5, 2. Oh, you missed one number here. Let's
No!
go, right? 253440. Is it correct? Should be correct. 2, 3.
Wait, what was the answer?
Yeah, so
Oh my god, you know what?
what? You missed this. What?
The threes are right there, but
I don't pronounce it. Oh, you don't tell it. So, oh, that is the
wait, I'll
biggest
send you to prove.
mistake.
I'll send you to prove. I beg. I beg.
But that is the biggest mistake, you know. You done it correct, but you answer it incorrect, meaning that it's incorrect.
It's like picking the wrong choice on the computer, but you had the correct
Yeah,
answer.
so oh, that is so unlucky. Sometimes, wow.
That's true. Actually, half the time I got everything right except for the answer.
Oh my god. Yeah. If you made it incorrect, it's okay to be incorrect. But if you make it correct and you write it down incorrect, that is the
I wrote it down correct. I just answered it to you.
so that oh my god. Okay, so last one. This is from inch to feet, and then 2 yards, and then 2 miles. Oh, this is tough. Inch to feet, feet to yard, yard to.
8 inch 2 feet. Wait, what am I doing?
Yes, the last one. 5,213 miles goes to feet, and then converts to yard, and then converts to miles. Wow. Into feet, feet to yards, it fits 2 miles. 5,213 into feet. Now we can know that it's from
Smaller to larger, so
yeah.
we
So we
oh divide.
divide. Yes, we divide 5,213 divide by
12.
okay. Yes, divide by 12. The answer is 1 feet equal to 12 inches. So these inches to feet is divided by 12. is equal to.
I got a remainder. Should that be right?
Yeah, yeah. What is the answer? What is your answer?
Can I try again though? No. Okay. Sorry.
Okay, the answer will be come to the decimal. When it's decimal, you take two
Oh,
digits
okay.
after. Yeah.
434.5.
4. So answer is 4,
3,
3, 4,
4.5.
5. Okay. So your answer is correct.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so this one is correct. Okay, so we don't need to do operation again. So now from feet to the yards.
Feet to
Four,
yards.
yes, 434.5. Now converting to yards.
Yards is larger, so we multiply.
Large is wait.
Wait, no, 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 no. Feet is smaller, so we divide.
The divide,
No,
yes, from
what?
smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger.
Do I divide by 3?
Divide by 3, yes, because 1 yard equal to 3 feet, so divide by 3.
3.
If you take these, divide by 3.
Oh, 4.
Good. Divide by 3.
Are these all decimals?
What?
These all decimals?
Yeah, decimal. It will result in decimal again.
1,445. Oh, 1, 4.
What? Wait. What? My PC is. Why?
Your PC stuck?
Yeah.
Oh, it happens sometimes. You just gotta wait. This happens to me like multiple times on like Google Docs. I'll just be typing my essay and then it'll go blank.
Okay. Whoa.
Is it working?
It start to work, but it no.
Laggy.
My. Why? Okay, so your answer is
1,
1,
4,
4,
4,
4,
5.
5,
Oh man, point one.
point 1. So we divide, correct? So we divide. So we divide the number should be smaller than feet, correct? Should be smaller than that. But this 1000 is bigger. So
No. Try again.
4, 4.5 divide by 3, correct? We take this number, by the way, this is converting from feet to yard, not this number, okay? Not this number. Did you divide this number? 4.5 divided by 3.
Yeah.
Oh, so okay. So okay, so first of all, one times 3 is 3. So we have ones here. So we drop the 3 and we get the how many times 3, which is 4. Okay, correct. 4 times 3, which is 12. So we have 1. Then we drop these 4. And yes, we have another 4. 4 times 3 is 12, which is 2. And then we drop the 5. We can have how many? 8.
8.
Yeah, 8 times 3, 24. And then, okay, 1 and go on. But we have one decimal here, correct? So
Yeah.
where is the decimal we should put? He said, now we have one decimal here.
Yeah.
Oh, I know that your mistake. You forget this is a decimal number. This is
What?
a decimal number. 430
Oh,
4.5. So we will have one decimal here, correct?
in the between 4 and 8.
Between 4 and 8. Yes.
You know what? It's even worse.
Mm-hmm.
You know how I said I kept getting unlucky? I wrote I subtracted 25 by 24, right? And I knew in
Yes.
my mind 8, but I accidentally wrote down 5.
Okay. Okay, so this is 8. Oh. Yeah, that's why you need to like, okay, when you do it correctly, that is the thing that you need to carefully put the answer in a correct way, or you have a correct answer already, but how can you write incorrect? That is the biggest mistake. Okay, so last one. From yards to mile. Do we have yard to miles?
Yard to mile?
Yeah. Do we have unit convert from yard to miles?
No.
No. So what should we converting from?
Inches to mile.
Inches to mile, do we have?
Mile, feet to mile?
Mile to feet, yeah, mile to feet. So we need to convert from here to here. Okay. So 434.5 feet to miles, meaning
It's
that smaller to
bigger, so it's dividing.
dividing. So we divide, but it will be decimal again. Again, 5.
We just ignore the decimal and divide it.
Yes. Ignore
No.
the decimal and divide, and then when it's come to the result, we,
Add the decimal.
yeah, we will think back of the decimal. Okay. Feet to miles.
We divide 104.8 by
By,
1,760.
yes. But what number you divide by 1760?
It's smaller, right?
Yeah, it's
So
smaller. Yeah, but what number you divide by 1760? I heard you take the other number. What? Okay, so what is your
oh,
opposition?
okay, okay, okay. I
Yeah,
remember.
yeah. What divide by? Okay, you divide by this number, correct? But what number you divide by this number? What number you divide
So
by?
that's correct, but the number I'm dividing isn't.
So what number here? What is number here divided by 1760? We convert mile and feet, right? So
Yeah.
this number, correct? I heard you
I
say,
swear, I swear.
I heard you say number 8 or something like that, and 8. So I thought you go from here to here, but no, the unit to convert is from miles to feet, correct? From mile to feet. So 400. This is should be four.
For 134.5.
Yes, 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 yes. Divide by. Okay, so this should be 434.5 divided by 1076. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so your answer
Oh
is
no, no, I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet.
okay. Okay.
Is it just straight up 2.825?
Okay, your answer 2.8.
820. No. No, 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 no. 2 point, no, 282.5.
2.8.
2.5, man.
2.8.
2,
2.5. Mm, is it? Okay. So let's do first of all, we don't care about the decimal first. Just don't care about the decimal first, and then we will care after. So, okay, so 1760 goes to here. Should be 2, correct? I think. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 1. 14. So 15. We have 1. 15. Okay, so 2, which is 3. And we have 5. This is
2.
should be 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. This is become 12. 12 minus.
No, I divided wrong. Oh, no.
Wait, this is 13. Not 12.
Oh, yeah, I divided right. Yeah.
Okay, 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Okay, this is gone. 8. So this is smaller. So we have 0 and 1 decimal. Right?
Mhm.
So how many times these go to 8,000?
Wait, 8,150?
Yeah. If it
I got 8,250.
8, okay. 8,000.
250.
200. Oh, why 200? This is okay. 5 minus 0 is 5. Then this become okay, okay, okay. So you're wrong. You're correct. I made it correct. Oh, this is okay. No, 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 no. Here, 8,250. Correct, correct. Okay. Now we have one decimal. We add 0, and then what's time 1760 go to 8,250?
Uh,
8? Is it 8? If it 8, like your answer, 8 times 0 is
wait, I didn't answer anything. I thought you were, I thought you tell, I thought,
oh, is it 8? Now, how many? Okay, so let's do together. How
I know,
many?
not
Yeah.
me, but
How many time 1760 goes to 8,250?
Mm.
Yeah, hold on. 4, 5.
Is it 4?
4, yes, 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 6 is
4.
24, which is 2 here.
Yeah.
28 with a 30.
7.
7, so it's 0, 1s, 2 ones. Okay, so and go on. So we will have more, but now we have one digit. Why I take one digit? Because we will have another digit here, correct? So it's 4,345 divided by 1,760. Result will be 2.4, correct?
Yeah.
But our number is zero point 0.5 here. So we have one digit here. So in order to have this, we shift to the left by one digit, which is, so decimal here becomes here. So it's become 0.24.
So it's
It means 0.24.
okay.
So it's equal to 0.24 miles. Mhm. 0.24 miles. This is the answer.